Flash puni fibro session pan kajung tip nam ta ki khubor LAITKAM teha kane go ta ki don kumba LAITKAM HIKAI but Kawei kade nam ta ki non teaching staff jongka LDC lower division CLERK te katkum kane advertisement hangne ongba Army Public School Shillong headquarter 101 area invite application from suitable candidate for TGT months trained graduate teacher kine klam de ki maths degree mathematics BSc maths with BEd TG computer mudba gipadap computers with BEd computer for ad hoc appointment and special educator Kawei thine Kawei ka post the LAITKAM ka post tu tam ta lower division CLERK Kawei ka post for contractual appointment. For detail hangne long for detail you can visit the school website fla one visit ka school website man page igi detail kana ka https apsshillong.in or contact the school office. Fill up and contact school office route number al. Last date of receiving the application form is 20 May 2025. Contact number al. And clear detail 036429517774. Te ngan subatai nge kita ki bakwa ban apply nda pla le jakane ga website APS Shillong Army Public School Shillong.in. Te nda pla le jang tu kan don ka option mato staff selection sakan mau nda le jang tu staff selection sampai chapo kendon kita ki application la kajong te fill up and download the form par bisa lek submit kumba kil dapong tu te select submit page himapi kano kajong ka non teaching staff ro la kajong jong ka teaching staff ro la kajong te tangine gi jemput tip na flash bun